Okay, Happy New Year, Cuxton. I hope you had the best Christmas holiday and that you got to spend time with your family. I do hope your Christmas wasn't too disrupted by COVID. Unfortunately, I don't think it's going away just yet. But it's lovely to see you all back in school and all smiling and happy to be back, which is great. Now, today's our values assembly, so it's a really special assembly today. We were hoping to do it face to face, but because of the current situation at the moment, we're continuing with virtual assemblies at least this week, and we'll assess next week when we get to it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start by announcing each class, the value winners in each class, and call out some reasons as to why your peers voted for you to be the Values Award winner. What I'd like is if your name is called out, I'd love for you to come and see me straight after the assembly, 1, to collect your certificate, and 2, to have your picture taken, because I really do want to advertise on the newsletter and Facebook the Values Award winners, because we are incredibly proud of you. So we're going to start first of all in Elm class, and this is for Lily D. So lots of children said that Lily's a good friend. She's always smiling and happy. She's always helpful, and she's well respected and a valued member of Elm class. She's always smiling and will do anything to help adults and friends. So a huge well done to Lily D. You are the Values Award winner in Elm class. Let's give Lily a round of applause. Off to Pine class now. So we have Mia, who's the Value Award winner. So Mia always tries her best. She's kind and caring to others. She strives to do the best at all times, and she's a responsible member of Team Pine. A huge well done for Mia for being the Values Award winner. Well done, Mia. Let's give Mia a huge round of applause. Okay, we're off to year 2 now, so off to Beach class. And the Values Award winner in Beach class is Archie N. And he always works hard. He always listens. If he knows someone is upset, he helps them. What a lovely thing, Archie. He works hard at lunchtime, sweeping leaves, so demonstrating our community value. Is a wonderful role model to all, and he enjoys learning and always puts his hand up. So I know how proud Mrs. Barrett is of you, Archie, for being awarded the Values Award. So let's give Archie a round of applause. Well done, Archie. Off to Birch class. So Kira C in Birch class is the Values Award winner. So she's always nice to me. She's always helpful. She's really generous. She helps people when they get stuck. She's a good friend. When someone is sad, she goes to them and cheers them up. She always plays with people when they feel lonely. She's kind, and if people are hurt, she takes good care of them. So certainly demonstrating our community value, Kira. Well done. Very proud of you. Let's give Kira a round of applause. Off to year 3 now. So off to Cherry class. And the Value Awards winner in Cherry class is Toby C. Toby is a valued member of the class who can be counted on to help others. Toby's always respectful of his friends' feelings. He plays football with me. He always helps children on the playground. He always helps them when they get stuck. And if someone falls over, he helps them. Goodness me, you are so helpful, Toby. And he's really nice and plays with me, and he's always kind. So a very kind and caring pupil. Well done, Toby. Let's give Toby a big round of applause. Well done. Okay, off to Magnolia class. So a huge well done to Jessica J. So Jessica certainly shows all our school values. She tries new things, even if it might worry her a bit. And she's built up resilience in maths, so demonstrating our resilience value. She's a good friend and helps me when I fall over. She's helpful and cheers me up when I'm sad. She's kind and helpful, and when someone is hurt, she asks if they're okay. She keeps going until she gets it right. So again, showing resilience. She's really kind to me and she helps others. And if she gets a question wrong, she does it again using different strategies. A huge well done to Jessica. Let's give Jessica a round of applause. Okay, off to year 4 now, and we are off to Holly class. And this is for Hannah G. She shows an adventurous side when learning new things. Lovely to hear our adventure value coming through. She demonstrates the community value by showing kindness to others. She's a resilient learner. She always shows excellent presentation in all her work as well. So a huge well done to Hannah. Be very proud of yourself, Hannah. Let's give Hannah a round of applause. Okay, now we are off to Maple class, and we have Bella. who volunteers to help others, Bella P. She's always helpful and she keeps our classroom tidy. I've heard that a lot, Bella, about you. Very kind and considerate, but also keep thinking about our community value at all times. Well done, Bella. Let's give Bella a round of applause. Okay, off to year 5 now, off to Chestnut class. We have the Values Award winner is Charlie B. For Charlie, will not stop trying in maths and English, so always trying his best. Charlie's always there for everyone and never gives up on you. Charlie is an amazing friend, and whenever I'm upset, he'll be there and he always makes me laugh. Well done, Charlie. Very proud of you. Let's give Charlie a big clap. Well done. And off to Olive class. So the Values Award winner for this term is Jessica G. So Jess makes people laugh. She's a good friend. She's kind and helpful. She makes sure that you have a friend. She makes people smile. She says funny jokes. She keeps trying even when things are tricky. She's respectful as well. So big well done, Jess. Some really lovely qualities there. Let's give Jess a round of applause. Okay, off to White Bean class, and the Values Award winner is Hannah B. She always does her work to the best of her ability. She always does the right thing. She's so kind to everyone. She's one of the most hardworking people in our class. She's really good at maths. And when I sit next to Hannah, she helps me if I'm stuck. Oh, wow, Hannah. Clearly working incredibly hard in year 6, so keep it up. Let's give Hannah a round of applause. And last but not least, off to Willow class. So the Values Award winner in Willow class is Matthew P. He's helpful, he's generous, he's supportive. Oh, that's a nice adjective. He's considerate, he's genuine. I really like that one. He's friendly, he's a role model to his peers, and he's always been there to support me. Wow, Matthew, some really lovely adjectives used to describe you there. Let's give Matthew a huge round of applause. Well done, Matthew. Now, I have got somewhere here, if I can find it, our Values Award plate. So remember, all of these certificates are voted by your peers. So your peers choose you as the winner in your class because they feel that you've upheld the school values at all times. And what then happens is, as an SLT, Senior Leadership Team, we look at all the names of the children who have achieved the Values Award winners, and we pick one to be the worthy winner of the Values Award Shield. And this term, we would like to award the Values Shield to Charlie Bruce. Can we give Charlie a huge clap? Now, Charlie, the reason we want to give you this Values Award this term is because of the fact that you have worked so hard over the last couple of terms. Every time I speak to Mrs. Jennings and Mrs. S, they are so proud of your achievements. Your test outcomes recently were phenomenal. I've also sat in the room on numerous occasions over the last couple of weeks where you've sat and spoke to different inspectors and you've spoken to governors and so on, and you've represented the school in such a way where we are incredibly proud of you and the way you articulately talk about the school, and the way you confidently in front of your peers talk about how the school keeps you safe. You talk about the behaviour policy, you talk about your learning and what you're enjoying at school and so on, and you really did represent yourself and the school wonderfully in those meetings. Please keep it up, Charlie. I've seen you on numerous occasions for the Golden Book for some beautiful writing that's also made me smile. So well done, Charlie. Such a worthy winner of the Values Shield this term. So this will be yours to take home and treasure for the next 6 weeks. So Values winners, please don't forget, once we finish the assembly, please come straight down to my office so I can take a photo of you and you can collect your certificates. Now, before we finish today, we have got a couple of bronze certificates to hand out. So we've got Amelia Ryan, who's achieved her bronze award. We've got Sophia in year 5, who's also achieved her bronze award. And we've got Chloe in year 5, who's also achieved her bronze award. So well done to those pupils. Wonderful. Now we've got a few children for the Golden Book. So let me have a look, see where we got up to. And I think, let me double check where we got up to. Here we go. I think that's where we got up to, because I don't think I read out those last few. So we have got Johnny L. Oh no, I did read this one out actually. So we've got Rosie D for making a fantastic and comfy looking cushion using excellent sewing skills, and we've got Harry S and Dolly R for super inference work using a picture to support their ideas. So only a few children today. It was a short, well, it wasn't a short week, but it was a very busy week before the holidays. So I think that's why we didn't see so many children, because it was Christmas week. So hopefully we'll see a lot more for the Golden Book this week. Have a wonderful few days. It's a short week this week, children, so we've only got 3 days until the weekend, so not long at all. And I'm looking forward to the normal celebration assembly resuming next week with 2 certificates per class. So work very hard to achieve those certificates. I will see you at some point tomorrow, I'm sure. See you later. Bye.